Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 John Deere pickup truck. John Deere, renowned for its agricultural machinery, is entering the automotive market with a groundbreaking release. A green, rugged, and powerful pickup truck for 2025. Dubbed the Hulk of trucks, this vehicle embodies the brand's legendary durability and power, promising to redefine what a heavy-duty pickup can do. The 2025 John Deere pickup truck is a visual powerhouse. Its vibrant green body, inspired by the company's iconic equipment, is complemented by bold black accents and a robust stance. Designed for heavy-duty use, it features reinforced steel panels, an oversized grille, and aggressive wheel arches, exuding strength and capability. Under the hood, the truck is equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine, delivering immense torque and towing power. With a focus on durability, it includes a reinforced chassis and off-road ready suspension. This truck is engineered to perform in the toughest conditions, from rugged farms to challenging construction sites, living up to its Hulk-like reputation. The interior balances rugged practicality with advanced technology. Durable materials are paired with ergonomic seating, while the cabin includes features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, integrated GPS, and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. For those long work days, John Deere has added practical elements like waterproof floor mats and a bed-mounted tool storage system. John Deere's foray into the pickup market reflects the company's commitment to expanding its offerings beyond agriculture. This truck isn't just a vehicle. It's a tool designed for the hardworking professional and outdoor enthusiast who demands power, reliability, and versatility. Scheduled for release in mid-2025, the John Deere pickup truck will cater to customers in construction, farming, and off-road communities. Pricing and further details will be announced closer to its launch, but one thing is certain: this green giant is set to leave a lasting mark. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.